ममता बनर्जी तेहें पहाड़ सफर रे हेज कते सनाम पहाड़ बासी के सारहावे चालाकत कुआ साउते तेहें राजस्थानी दिवस रे राजस्थानी कहो सारहावे चालात कुआ तबे दार्जिलिंग खन के रामपुर हाट मामला इदी कते ममतावा मेन जे सीबीआई जांच कमी हो जाते नापाय हुयुमा और सीबीआई कुआ तुनखी रे राज्य सरकार सनाम लेकान गड़ोय एमोआ मेन तो लय कदा तबे रामपुर हाट मामला रे राज अरी नेता कुआ हस्तक्षेप रे ওনা বাই মানা বাতাওয়া মমতা ব্যানার্জি
এটা তো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে যেটা দেখুন পার্টি প্রেসিডেন্ট একটা কথা বলবে গভর্নমেন্ট একটা কথা বলবে পার্টি প্রেসিডেন্ট আর গভর্নমেন্ট কিন্তু এক নয় আর যখন একটা ইনভেস্টিগেশন চলছে আমরা ফুল কোঅপারেশন তাদের করেছি রামপুরহাটের ব্যাপারে এমনকি গতকাল যে লোকটি অ্যারেস্ট হয়েছে তাকে আমরাই অ্যারেস্ট করেছি ভাদু শেখের যে খুনি আমি ইনফরমেশন যেটা পেয়েছি সুতরাং আমরা ফুললি হেল্প করছি কিন্তু বিজেপির নেতারা যারা এসেছিলেন এখানে দেখতে এবং গিয়ে রিপোর্ট করেছেন তার পার্টি প্রেসিডেন্টকে সে বিজেপির পকেটেড নিউজ কি করবেন না করবেন সেটা তাদের ব্যাপার আমার তাতে কিছু বলার নেই কিন্তু একটা অবজারভেশন আমার অবশ্যই আছে ইনভেস্টিগেশন যখন চলছে এই সমস্ত রিপোর্ট ইনভেস্টিগেশনকে ইন্টারফেয়ার করবে এবং এই সব রিপোর্ট ইনভেস্টিগেশনকে উইক করবে এবং এই সব রিপোর্ট টোটাল পলিটিক্যাল পারপাসে ইনভেস্টিগেশনকে মিসইউজ করবে সুতরাং আই কন্ডেম দিস টাইপ অফ অ্যাটিটিউড গভর্নমেন্ট মাস্ট সি that when there is any incident happens in anywhere in the world when investigation is on there should not be any interference from the party side or from the any side. Investigation must be free and fair. And party interference means at this moment, it is absolutely misuse of power, abuse of power, and this misuse of power will mislead the investigation, distort the investigation, and people will lose the confidence about the investigation. I request them to behave properly, not to behave like this. I condemn the attitude of the BJP and the central government. You know, even their report, I have seen that they have mentioned my district president name. This is very bad, very rough attitude, very negative attitude, very biased attitude, very vindictive attitude, and how they can use how they can mention without investigation my district president name. It means they want to arrest him. That is a personal vendetta. They want to arrest all throughout the country, whoever is opposing the BJP party. They want to arrest all the political parties, fellows, their family members, their party members. What they think BJP? Only they will be staying in this country and every day they will increase the petrol price, the domestic gas price, the diesel price. Even yesterday also they hiked the price. And I will request the Prime Minister what he is doing for the Ukraine students. Especially 17,000 students they have back in India. What about their study? I met 400 students who came in Bengal. We are ready to help them for their study. We are giving free of cost for their study. But central government said no, we cannot help them. If they cannot help them, then what is the drama? They have to help because it is a war situation, and when the people, their life was in danger, how they came with their life, we have to appreciate that. And is it not the duty of the government to take full care of the students who are the medical students, the engineering students, and the other students also? I think they have to do it without doing the blaming the Trinamool Congress every day and arresting Trinamool Congress people, Sharad Pawar's men, sometimes Udham's men, sometimes the Stalin's men. This is very unfair. This is very unfair, and it is not justice to the people. People are not getting any justice. Justice is crying behind the door. It is most unfortunate thing. What should not be. We are really pained. And it is a matter of sadness. And what they're behaving with all the political parties, forcefully they want to evict the political parties. In a democratic country, it cannot be. In a democracy, there must be everything safely, smoothly, and very soothing way it should be. But they are forcefully trying to evict all the political parties with the political vendetta, with the political attitude that I condemn. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, do there is any conspiracy? Ma'am, do there is any conspiracy?
It's a absolutely conspiracy, BJP conspiracy. And it's a larger conspiracy now because what we have seen the report, they have submitted. If it is not the conspiracy, how they know that who are involved, who are not involved without investigation? Investigation not yet completed 1/4. And you are mentioning he is responsible, who is responsible, he is responsible. Don't you think this is fair enough that they have already have taken a decision and this is the interference absolute?